really fundamental, the intrinsic calling of life science.
Yeah.
It's more than just picking a career path. It's this deep personal pull.
Yeah.
And we've got this fascinating piece of writing that really gets to the why of it all. What really grabbed me from the source was how it describes that initial spark, that moment, before the exams, before the lab coats, before the Latin names.
Yeah.
It's when something just clicks. Maybe you're just looking at a leaf, right?
Mhm.
Or a petri dish, maybe a diagram. And boom, just for a second, everything feels so alive.
Exactly. And it's not just seeing it, it's feeling it. The source material is great on this. It talks about sensing the rhythm, the purpose, even that quiet intelligence in cells. Think about how cells just know what to do.
It's about instructions, yeah.
Right. Or the flip side, the madness and mutations, that sort of beautiful chaos that drives things forward or sometimes causes problems. And seeing the story in spirals of DNA, not just code, but a narrative.
Reliving history.
Precisely. And the source hammers this home. People go down this path not because it's easy, but because, and I love this phrase, life itself refused to be ignored.
That phrase, life itself, refused to be ignored. Wow, that really lands. It sounds so active, almost insistent.
It is. And the source connects that feeling to how life shows up everywhere. It's whispering in chloroplasts, that quiet, amazing engine of photosynthesis.
The foundation for so much.
Yeah. But then it's also screaming from cancer cells, forcing us to look to understand what's gone wrong.
On much louder demand.
Definitely. And dancing in ecosystems, all that complex interconnection.
Oh, wow.
But also dying in forgotten forests. That vulnerability, the urgency.
Or the fragility, too.
Just this constant presence demanding our attention, our understanding. It really compels discovery.
So, okay, that's the start, that powerful pull.
Yeah.
What's the mission it leads to? The source suggests it's about pushing past the easy answers, isn't it? Going beyond the textbooks. Wanting to ask the questions that textbooks couldn't answer. Like trying to really understand death, not just biologically, but what it means.
It's placing the whole cycle.
Exactly. Or trying to decode growth, how you get from one cell to us. The sheer complexity.
It's mind-boggling.
And this one really jumped out at me. Wanting to meet microbes not as threats, but as teachers.
Oh, that's a huge shift, isn't it? Moving past just fear.
Yeah.
From seeing them only as germs to, well, understanding their role. Think about the microbiome research now.
Totally. We're learning so much from them.
And the source stresses how this calling, this curiosity, it lasts. Experiments fail, facts get jumbled before a test, happens to everyone.
Of course.
But even then, it says something deeper remains. That initial spark, that fire.
The reason you started.
Exactly. That profound calling. It doesn't just go away after a setback, it keeps pushing.
It's amazing how that first connection can fuel a whole lifetime of work, really. Constant learning. So, thinking about this, for you listening right now, here's something to mull over. What part of your world, like life for these scientists, kind of refuses to be ignored by you? Is there something that maybe whispers, maybe screams? For your attention, for your understanding, what's sparking your own deep dive, that intrinsic call to know more, could be anything. What's the next thing you feel compelled to explore?